Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making hot cross buns. This dish is eaten during the Easter holiday season in Guyana that I know of. So today we'll be making that. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, the notification bell, like, share, and comment on this video. So let's jump right into it. So these are our ingredients that we will be using today, and they will also be listed in the description box below along with the measurements. All right, so we're gonna mix our wet ingredients together. So I have my milk. I'll be using brown sugar. Into my milk I add some brown sugar, 1 egg, and make sure all your ingredients is at room temperature, and we'll whisk that in until the sugar has dissolved. Okay, now we add our vanilla extract and some melted butter. Continue to whisk everything in. So to my flour I'll be adding some cinnamon, and that is ground cinnamon, some lemon zest, some allspice, and some grated nutmeg. Now to my liquid mixture I'll be adding some yeast, and that is 1 tablespoon of yeast. I will set that aside. Now I'll go in and whisk all my dry ingredients together. Now I'll add some raisins and some currants to my food processor. So here I will give this a rough chop. The reason I'm doing this is because I want all of my ingredients to be incorporated well within the flour mixture. The flour smells amazing already with the lemon zest and the cinnamon and the allspice. So now I'll be adding my raisins and currants that I rough chop in my food processor, and then I'll go in with my hand and make sure everything is evenly distributed throughout the flour. Now I'll add my milk and egg mixture, right, and we will keep adding and kneading this flour. Now we will knead this into a really nice ball. So I'll remove that and place it on a clean flat surface, and I'll continue to knead this. Alright, so when you would have worked everything in, the dough looks amazing. The color is exactly what I wanted, and it tastes amazing. Yes, I did taste my dough. Alright, so we will let this sit for about an hour and a half in a warm place until it poofs a little bit, and that time has come. Our dough looks amazing and it is ready. So what I'll do now is give it a light knead and cut this up into pieces, or to your desired pieces. If you want it a little bigger, smaller, you know, it's up to you. And then we're gonna form these little balls and place it in on my baking tray on a parchment paper. So here guys, we will be making the cross for the top of the bun. So I'll do it 2 ways. You make like a little spaghetti out of piece of the same dough, and you roll it out so thin, and then you make the cross with that, just like that. You can do it this way, or you can add a little bit of flour and a little bit of water. You will mix this to a very smooth consistency like that. Looks amazing. So now we'll get a piping bag, but since I am out, I'll be using a Ziploc bag, or if you have a plastic bag you can use. You pour the mixture inside of that. Yes guys, we're improvising here. It gets the job done. That's what we're most interested in. Alright, we'll clip the tip there, and then I'll show you how to do this one. Just like that, straight across. And there you have it guys. And that is cross done 2 ways. Now we would let this to sit for about 30 minutes, and then we place it in an oven for about 20 minutes. Guys, please regulate your oven 20 minutes. Then I just added a little bit of sugar and some water, equal parts. Allow that to melt and brush that right over the top of the bun after you remove that from the oven. You make like a sling and you brush that over the bun to give it a glossy sheen. Sweet. And then you have that with cheese. Mwah. This guys is super delicious, and I would hope you guys try this recipe. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys. Enjoy. Happy Easter. Bye-bye.